yeah.
What do you need?
Some up.
Up?
Yep. Lots of it. It flies like it's still tail heavy. Getting there.
What else you need? More?
Like it all of a sudden will, you know, it's not like maintaining.
Yeah.
It kind of dives and then it climbs and then it dives and then it climbs. Like, see, that's hands off, it's fine. Yeah. But if it, see, like there, I gotta pull way up before it starts going up again.
Yeah.
So I don't know quite what that is, whether it's tail heavy or just from the weight of it or what.
See if you can bring it in.
The nice thing is it's got plenty of power to just keep climbing if it gets in that.
Yeah.
Come on down.